So the first question is, what is the price elasticity of demand? So price elasticity of demand is measure how much the quantity demand of a good respond to a change in its price. Okay, so price elasticity of demand also have formula, which is percentage change in quantity demand of goods divides percentage in price of good, which mean percentage in the quantity demand of good is mean QD divide to percentage in price of good, which mean is P besar. So let's move to our question number 1B. The question is, how will the 10% price reduction impact the demand for the sedan considering the PED of 1.5? Explain your answer by using relevant graph. Okay, so let's move to our graph in slide. Okay, so if you can look at the slide, you can see that 10 price reduction. So how we need to calculate the 10 price reduction? Because the P1 is mean the price 1 is hundreds and the quantity demand is 1. So how to calculate the 10 price reduction? Okay, so if you can look at here, we need to take 10 over the hundreds times 100, so we will get 10. And then we take the price 1 hundreds minus to 10 and we will get 19. So like I wrote in this slide, price 2 is 19 and then the quantity demand and the new quantity demand is 1.5. So that's how to calculate the 10. So that's how to calculate the price reduction.
Price elasticity of demand measure the degree of responsiveness of the quantity demanded for a particular product, like goods Y, with respect of changes in price of another product, like good X. Since the LCD between Baju Auto Sedan and competitor's model is 0.8, it means these two cars are subjective. A positive XED value indicates that an increase in price of competitor model will lead to an increase of quantity demanded for Maju Auto Sedan. That's all.
Question number 3. Income elasticity of demand is the ratio of percentage in changes in quantity demand for a commodity in changes in percentage changes in income. The increases of consumers' income will rise the Maju Auto Sedan, which will make Maju Auto to produce more sedan car to make more profit. That's all.
So for the question 4, a price of elasticity of supply (PES) measures that how the quantities of the supply goods respond to a change in its price. It calculated as a PES is greater than the one indicates of elastic supply, while a PES is less than one indicates of inelastic supply. Okay, so for the question 4B, we must understanding that the PES is equal to 0.7%. A PES of 0.7% means that the supply of car is inelastic. This suggests that Auto Maju cannot quickly increase supply in response to demand shifts due to production production constraint and supply chain issues. So for the second, expected shifts in demand. If demand increases due to economic growth, government intervention and festive season, Maju Auto may face shortage and rising prices. The supply constraint should lead the lost sales opportunities or customer dissatisfaction due to long waiting times. And the third one, maju auto should have a precautionary action. So the first precautionary action is precautionary action is increase inventory levels such as raw materials and product of car. This will stock up on cars in advance to buffer against sudden demand increases. And the second one, Maju Auto should improve in technology. This will help Maju Auto produce car more fast, and then can make the supply of car more quality. Now let's move on to the graph part. So this is a inelastic graph which has a supply curve, first demand curve, second demand curve. So when we make a graph, we found that the supply and first demand meet at this area. So this area will be a equilibrium 1. So, and then we found that the supply curve and the demand, the second demand curve meet at this place. So this will be equilibrium 2. After we make this, that also has a price increases 10%. So this will be a price 1 and then price 2 due to 10% increase price increases. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.